Hey, what's going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I'm going to be testing two different types of ink. One of them being the HP ink for the HP Smart Tank lineup, and the other one a third-party ink that is compatible with the HP Smart Tank lineup. Now both of these ink sets are dye-based, and so the quality should be the same, but we're going to put that to the test here in this video. Also, I used two totally separate HP Smart Tank printers to install the separate ink from the beginning, from the setup. So the HP Smart Tank that has the third-party ink has never had any other ink in the system, and the same goes for the other HP Smart Tank printer that I used as well. Now I will be linking down in the description below to all the products I used here in the video. From the HP Smart Tank printer, the 5000 model, to the third-party ink, and also the HP ink, along with also the photo paper that I ended up using that you'll see here in just a moment. I do also want to establish that the findings in this video can be applied to many of the other HP Smart Tank printers, especially the ones that are dye-based. Now, when you're printing photos, it is very important the settings you use, the type of photo paper you use, and that you register that type of media in the settings. I use the same exact photo paper and the same exact photo settings from the HP Smart app on both printers. I selected photo paper, letter, and then from there, I didn't really adjust anything else. I just made sure that it was known that this was photo paper. Depending on where you're printing from, HP Smart app or your PC, you can adjust some other print settings as well. So these are the two different shots that I have. On the left, we have the HP ink printed on photo paper with the same settings as what we printed the third-party ink on. Here is our second photo, and these are the settings that I used. Very simplified settings, nothing crazy. And here we have the two different shots. On the left, again, HP. On the right is third party. You can really draw a distinction between the two if there is any. I don't see any at all, but that's what I'm doing this video for, so that you can have a clearer picture comparing the two photos side by side. Photos are the best way that we can see quality. And on the left, again, HP, right, third party. To me, there is no difference at all, and so you're seeing that here on the screen. So I really hope that this video was helpful in giving you a visual of the differences between the two types of ink, HP, of course, for the HP Smart Tank, and the third-party ink that is compatible with the HP Smart Tank lineup. Again, links down in the description below for all the products I talked about here in the video. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked two videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.